क्या आपको पता है कि आपकी सीधे हाथ की ये जो 5 उंगलियां हैं वो 5 अलग अलग एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट्स की तरह काम कर सकती है और आपके माइंड में जो प्रेशर बना हुआ है उसको रिलीज कर सकती है। कैसे, मैं आपको बताता हूं। ये 5 उंगलियों में जो थंब है, जब आप बहुत ज्यादा चिंता में हो तो आप इस थंब को इस तरह से प्रेस करें। जब आप बहुत ज्यादा डर में हो तो आप इस उंगली को इस तरह से प्रेस करें कंटिन्यूसली। जब आप बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में हो तो आप इस उंगली को प्रेस करें। और फिर उसके बाद जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा उदासी फील हो रही हो, अकेलापन फील हो रहा हो, तो आप इस उंगली को इस तरह से लगातार प्रेस करें। और फाइनली जब आप में आत्मविश्वास की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी हो, सेल्फ स्टीम की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी हो, तो लास्ट वाली फिंगर को अच्छे से इस तरह से प्रेस करें। लगातार ऐसे करने से आपकी ये जो 5 प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जिससे मेंटल स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है वो धीरे 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 कम होने लगेगा और आपकी मेंटल कैपेबिलिटीज इंक्रीज होने लगेंगी। ये इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट जान के आपको
Okay, today we are going to make a video of formula for class 11th and 12th. This formula is of physics and it is especially for medical and engineering competition. Those who are preparing for medical and engineering, this formula is useful for them. Okay. Here first thing is absolute error. AM is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dash dash plus AN by N. Mean absolute error. Delta A is equal to delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta AN by N. Relative error. Mean absolute error delta A by absolute error delta M. Okay. Percentage error delta A by AM into 100%. Error in addition or subtraction delta X is equal to plus minus delta A plus delta B. Error in multiplication or division delta X by X that is equal to plus minus A delta A by A plus delta B by B. A scalar product of orthogonal unit vectors I vector I dot vector I is equal to vector j equal to k vector k equal to 1 and vector I dot vector j that is equal to vector j dot vector k that is equal to vector k dot vector I that is equal to 0. A scalar product in Cartesian coordinates A dot B ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Vector product of orthogonal unit vectors I cross I, this is cross, vector I cross vector I is equal to vector j cross vector j is equal to vector k cross vector k that is equal to 0 and vector I vector cross vector j that is equal to vector k. Vector j vector k that is equal to I vector I, vector k cross vector I that is equal to vector j. Okay. Vector product in Cartesian coordinates A cross B is equal to ay bz minus az by vector I minus ax bz minus bx az vector j plus ax bi plus ax bz by plus ay bz. Okay, ay bx that here vector k. Okay, multiply by vector k. Now next thing, instantaneous speed delta t, limit delta t tends to 0 delta s by delta t. Speed is equal to distance by time, velocity equal to displacement by time taken, acceleration equal to change in velocity by time taken. Equation of motion v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square is equal to u square plus 2s. Distance traveled in nth second Sn is equal to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. Projectile. Equation of the path of projectile y is equal to x tan theta minus g by 2e square cos square theta into x square. Time of flight t is equal to 2u sin theta by g. Maximum height h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Horizontal range r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Range is equal to u square by g. Angular displacement delta theta is equal to linear displacement by radius. Angular velocity omega is equal to angular displacement by time in term. Angular acceleration change in angular velocity by time taken. Angular momentum L is equal to mvr m omega r square. Relation between angular velocity and linear velocity v is equal to r omega. Relation between angular acceleration and linear velocity a is equal to r alpha. Centripetal acceleration a is equal to v square by r omega square. Centripetal force F is equal to mv square by m r omega square. Kinematical equation in circular motion. Omega is equal to omega 0 plus alpha t, theta is equal to omega 0 t plus half alpha t square, omega square 0, omega 0 square plus 2 alpha theta. Time period of conical pendulum t is equal to 2 pi under root L cos theta by zeta. Linear momentum p is equal to mv. Impulse force into time change in momentum. Weight m mass into g. Thrust on the rocket at any instant F is equal to minus u dm by dt. Velocity of rocket at any instant v is equal to v0 plus u log e m0 by m. Limiting friction Fs mu s cross r normal reaction. Kinetic friction Fk is equal to mu k cross r. Normal reaction of plane r mg cos theta. Power rate of doing work done by time taken. Power rate of doing work done by time taken. Kinetic energy half mv square p square by 2m in terms of momentum. P is here, P is momentum. Gravitational potential energy mgh, that is also potential energy. Elastic potential energy half kx square. Electric potential energy 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. Work energy theorem W integration v2 v1 f ds half mv2 square minus half mv1 square. Kf minus ki delta k. Mass energy equivalence is equal to delta mc square. Center of mass of a system of n particles. RCM m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus m n rn by m1 plus m2 plus mn. Sigma I is equal to n mi ri by sigma mi. Moment of force into perpendicular distance. Moment of inertia I बराबर mk square. Radius of gyration k is equal to under root r1 square plus r2 square plus rn square by n. Torque moment of inertia into angular acceleration. Rotational kinetic energy half I omega square. Gravitational force F is equal to g m1 m2 by r square. Relation between acceleration due to gravity g and universal gravitational constant G, capital G is equal to gm by r square. Gravitational field E बराबर f by m gm by r square. Gravitational potential V बराबर omega by m minus gm by r. Gravitational potential energy U is equal to minus gmm by r. Time period of satellite T is equal to 2 pi under root rq by gm. Orbital velocity v0 under root gm by r root g by r plus h. Energy of a satellite in orbit E minus gmm by 2r. Binding energy plus gmm by 2r. Escape velocity v is equal to under root 2 gm by r and equal to under root 2 gr. Under root 8 pi rho gr square by 3. Relation between orbital velocity and escape velocity v under root 2 v0. Inertial mass force by acceleration. Gravitational mass weight by acceleration due to gravity. Stress restoring force by area. Strain change in dimension by original dimension. Hooke's law stress is equal to modulus of elasticity into strain. Young's modulus y is equal to normal strain by longitudinal strain. Bulk modulus k is equal to normal stress by longitudinal strain. Modulus of rigidity eta tangential stress by shearing strain. Compressibility 1 by bulk modulus. Safety factor breaking stress by working stress. Elastic potential energy in a stretched wire half stress into strain into volume of the wire. elastic potential energy per unit volume, half into stress into strain, half into Young's modulus into strain square. Elastic potential energy of a stress spring, half k squared. Thermal stress F by y d delta theta. Interatomic force constant k is equal to y r0. Poisson ratio sigma is equal to lateral strain by longitudinal strain. Depression of a cantilever delta omega LQ by 3y ig. Pressure exerted by the liquid rho बराबर h rho g. Archimedes principle omega 2 is equal to T by 1 by rho by sigma. Density of a mixture of substance rho बराबर m1 plus m2 by m1 by rho 1 plus m2 by rho 2. Viscosity eta minus f a dv by dx. Viscous force F is equal to minus eta a dv by dx. Variation of viscosity n plus n 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. Poisson formula V is equal to pi by 8 p pr to the power 4 nl. Rate of flow of liquid through a tube V is equal to liquid pressure by liquid resistance. Stokes law F is equal to 6 pi eta rv. The terminal velocity V is equal to 2 by 9 r square rho minus sigma into g by eta. Critical velocity V E is equal to kn by r rho. Reynolds number K is equal to V E rho r by n. Equation of continuity A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2, that is AB बराबर constant. Bernoulli's theorem P plus half rho V square plus rho GH is equal to constant. Rate of flow of liquid venturimeter V is equal to A1 A2 under root 2 GH A1 square minus A2 square. Surface tension F by length. F is force. Work done by change in area. Surface energy, surface tension into increase in surface area. Ascent of liquid column in a capillary tube H is equal to 2 rho cos theta r rho g minus r by 3. Durin's law RH is equal to constant. R1 H1 is equal to R2 H2. Relation between different scales C by 100 F minus 32 by 180 K minus 273 by 100 equal to R by 80. Thermo EMF E is equal to 80 plus BT square. Thermal heat capacity MC. Water equivalent W is equal to MS, that is equal to heat capacity of body. Latent heat Q बराबर ml. Principle of calorimetry heat lost is equal to heat gained. Coefficient of linear expansion alpha बराबर is equal to delta L by alpha into delta T. Coefficient of superficial expansion beta is equal to delta A by A into delta T. Coefficient of cubical expansion V is equal to delta B by B into delta T. Relation between coefficient of linear superficial and cubical expansion beta is equal to 2 alpha and gamma is equal to 3 alpha. Alpha ratio beta ratio B that is equal to 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. Coefficient of apparent expansion of a liquid gamma alpha apparent increase in volume by original volume into rise in temperature. Coefficient of real expansion of a liquid V gamma r is equal to real increase in volume by original volume into rise into temperature. Boyle's law PV constant. Charles law V by T is equal to constant. Gay-Lussac or Reynolds law P by T is equal to constant. Heat standard gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Van der Waals gas equation P plus A by V square V minus V is equal to RT. Pressure due to an ideal gas P is equal to 1 by 3 Mn V by V C square 1 by 3 rho C square. Average speed of molecules of a gas V is equal to under root 8 kT by pi m, that is equal to 8 RT by pi m. The most probable speed of molecule of a gas Bmp is equal to under root 2 kT by m, that is equal to 2 RT by m. Degree of freedom F or N, that is equal to 3 number of particles minus number of independent relation. A specific heat of a gas at constant volume Cv is equal to F by 2 R, F by Z R. A specific heat of a gas at constant pressure Cp is equal to F by 2 plus L into R. Ratio of a specific heat of a gas at constant pressure and at constant volume V is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. Mean free path lambda is equal to kT by V2 pi sigma square rho. Work done by thermodynamic system, W is equal to P cross delta V. First law of thermodynamics, delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Efficiency of the cycle, eta is equal to work done by heat supplied. Slope of the adiabatic curve equal to y cross slope of the isothermal curve. Isothermal modulus of elasticity, S is equal to F. Es is equal to rho. Adiabatic modulus of elasticity, E gamma is equal to gamma rho. Ratio between isothermal and adiabatic modulus, Es by Ef. Et is equal to gamma, that is equal to Cp by Cp. Change in entropy. Heat supplied by the system by absolute temperature. Thermal efficiency of a heat engine, eta is equal to work done by cycle. Total amount of heat supplied absorbed by cycle. 1 minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. Coefficient of performance of refrigerator, beta is equal to Q2 by W, Q2 by Q1 minus Q2 is equal to T2 by T1 minus T2. Relation between efficiency and coefficient of performance, beta is equal to 1 minus eta by eta. Temperature gradient, change in temperature by perpendicular distance, that is minus delta Q by delta X. The amount of heat flow in a conducting rod Q is equal to Ka delta theta T by L. Thermal resistance, R is equal to delta theta by H, L by Ka. Engine house experiment, K1 by K2 is equal to L1 square by L2 square. Emissivity, E, emissive power of the body by emissive power of a perfectly black body. Kirchhoff's law, E lambda by A lambda is equal to constant E lambda. Stephen's law, E is equal to E proportional T to the power 4. Newton's law of Coulomb, dT by dQ by dt is equal to E proportional T minus E alpha T minus T0. Wien's displacement law, delta mt is equal to constant. Solar constant S is equal to R by R is whole square sigma T to the power 4. Frequency 1 by time period, angular frequency omega 2 pi nu, velocity of particle executing SHM or V is equal to omega under root x square minus y square, acceleration of particle executing SHM, alpha is equal to omega square y, time period in SHM, T is equal to 2 pi under root displacement by acceleration. Time period of the simple pendulum, T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. Time period of the conical pendulum, T is equal to 2 pi under root mr by T sin theta. Time period of the compound pendulum, T is equal to 2 pi under root L by 2 mgl. Time period of the tertional pendulum, T is equal to 2 pi under root I by C. Time period of the oscillation, T is equal to 2 pi root under K by G. Restoring force, F minus force constant into or of spring into distance minus Ky. Hooke's law, mg is equal to KL. Time period of a loaded spring, T is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. Displacement of the damped oscillator, x is equal to x0 e minus bt by 2m cos omega dash t plus phi. Mechanical energy E of the damped oscillator is equal to half kx square e minus bt by n. Wave velocity V is equal to f lambda. Particle velocity dy by dt, velocity of longitudinal sound waves V is equal to under root beta by rho. Newton's formula for isothermal process, V is equal to under root ev by rho, that is p by rho. Laplace correction for adiabatic process, V is equal to under root es by rho, that is gamma p by rho. Speed of transverse motion, V is equal to under root t by m. Plane progressive simple harmonic wave, y is equal to a sin 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda, a sin 2 pi by lambda bt minus x. Intensity of constructive interference, amplitude square. In equation of a stationary wave, y is equal to 2a sin 2 pi t by capital T cos 2 pi x by lambda. Meldes experiments, frequency of vibration of a spring, frequency of tuning fork by 2. Q is equal to quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Q is equal to plus minus Ne. Coulomb's law of electrostatics. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q and Q2 by R square. Electric field intensity E is equal to F by Q0. Electric field intensity due to a point charge Q E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. Electric potential V is equal to Q W by Q. Electric potential due to a point charge Q V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. Potential gradient dV by R. Electric flux E into ds. Gauss theorem. Phi is equal to phi E ds 1 by epsilon 0 sigma Q. Electric dipole moment P is equal to Q into T 2T. P cross 2L. Torque T P sin theta P cross E. Work done of an electric dipole. Omega P cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Potential energy of an electric dipole U is equal to minus P cos theta. Potential energy of charge system U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q and Q2 by R. Capacitance of conductor C is equal to Q by V. Capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 Kr. Electric current I is equal to Q by T. Current density Ji by A. Drift velocity Vd is equal to E tau by M by EV tau by ML. Relation between electric current and drift velocity Vd is equal to I by A and E. Mobility of electron mu is equal to Vd by E. Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Electrical resistance R is equal to A N E square tau by ML by that is equal to V by I. Resistivity rho by is equal to M by N E square tau. Electrical conductivity sigma is equal to 1 by rho L that is equal to L by RA. N E square tau by M. Relation between current density and electrical conductivity J is equal to sigma E. Electromotive force of a cell is equal to W by Q. Terminal potential difference V is equal to W by Q. Relation between E, V and internal resistance of cell E is equal to V plus IR. Principle of Wheatstone bridge P by Q बराबर R by S. Principle of meter bridge R by S is equal to L1 length of wire by 100 minus L1. Principle of potentiometer K is equal to V by L that is equal to IR by L that is E0 R by R0 plus R into L. Joule's law H is equal to I square RT V square T by R joule or H is equal to I square RT by 4.18 that is equal to V square T by 4.18 calorie. Electric power P is equal to VI square R that is equal to V square by R. Electric energy W is equal to VQ VIT that is equal to IQ I square RT that is equal to V square T by R. Chemical equivalent atomic weight by valency Faraday's constant F is equal to Avogadro number K into electric charge. Relation between neutral temperature TB and temperature of inversion T0 Tn is equal to Ti plus T0 by 2. Thermoelectric power S is equal to d by dt alpha plus beta t. Peltier coefficient pi is equal to Peltier heat by change charge flowing. Thomson coefficient sigma is equal to delta d by dt. Biot-Savart law dV is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi dl into r cube. dV mu 0 by 4 pi dl sin theta by r square. Magnetic dipole M is equal to NIA. Ampere circuital law phi b dl close integral b into dl is equal to mu 0 I. Magnetic field inside the turns of toroid b is equal to mu 0 ni. Radius of circular path r is equal to mv by bq. Cyclotron frequency nu is equal to bq by 2 pi m. Torque acting on its current carrying coil placed inside a uniform magnetic field. Torque NBIA sin theta. Current sensitivity is equal to theta by I NBA by K. Voltage sensitivity Vs theta by V NBA by Kr. Principle of ammeter S is equal to Ig by I minus Ig into G. Principle of voltmeter B is equal to Ig G plus R. Coulomb's law F is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi m1 m2 by R square. Torque acting on a magnetic dipole. Torque is equal to M cross B. MB sin theta. Potential energy of a magnetic dipole V U is equal to W is equal to minus MB cos theta that is equal to minus M into B. Magnetic moment of an atom M is equal to half E omega r square, that is NEH by 4 pi m. Total intensity of Earth's magnetic field, I is equal to I0 under root 1 plus 3 sin square lambda. Tangents law, B is equal to S tan theta. Time period of vibration, T is equal to 2 pi under root I by mh. Magnetic flux, phi is equal to B into A, BA cos theta. Magnetic induction, B is equal to phi by A mu 0 H plus I. Magnetic permeability, mu is equal to B by H. Magnetic force on or magnetic intensity, H is equal to B by mu. Intensity of magnetization, I is equal to M by B, M by A. Magnetic susceptibility, X eta M is equal to I by H. Relation between magnetic permeability and susceptibility, mu is equal to mu 0 1 plus eta M. Curie law in magnetism, eta M proportional 1 by T. Eta M into T is equal to constant. Motional EMF is equal to V into cross L, VBL. Coefficient of self induction, L is equal to phi by I, that is mu 0 n square A by L, and mu n square into A into L. Coefficient of mutual induction, L is equal to phi by I, mu 0 n square A by L, that is mu n square AL. Induced EMF in the secondary coil is equal to minus m di by dt. Coefficient of coupling, K is equal to under root m by L1 L2. Mutual induction of two long coaxial solenoids, m is equal to mu 0 n1 n2 A by L, mu 0 x1 x2 AL. Growth of current in an inductor, I is equal to I0 1 minus E minus RT by L. Decay of current in an inductor, I is equal to I0 E minus RT by T. The instantaneous charge in a capacitor on charging, Q is equal to Q0 1 minus E minus T by RC. The instantaneous charge on a capacitor in discharging, Q is equal to Q0 E minus T by RC. Instantaneous value of AC, I is equal to I0 sin omega T. Inductive resistance XL, L omega, L 2 pi F, L into 2 pi by TT. Capacitive reactance XCB is equal to 1 by CW 1 by C into 2 pi F T by C into 2 pi. Impedance of a circuit, Z is equal to R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Average power in AC circuit, P average VI cos theta by 2. Resonance frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Q factor or sharpness at resonance, Q is equal to 1 by R under root L by C. Induced EMF produced by the AC generator, E is equal to NBS cos omega sin omega T, 0 sin omega T. Torque acting on a current carrying coil, torque is NBLA sin theta. Efficiency of a motor, eta is equal to back EMF, applied EMF is equal to E by V. Transformer ratio, K is equal to NS by NP, ES by P, that is equal to IP by IS. Mirror formula for both mirror, for concave and convex, 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, where here EU is the object distance, V is the image distance, and F is the focal length. Focal length, radius of curvature by 2, F is equal to R by 2. The power of mirror, R, P is equal to 1 by F in meter, F here meter, F 100 by F centimeter. If you will take 100, then it will be F in centimeter. Newton's formula for a concave mirror, F is equal to under root x1 x2. Linear magnification, M is equal to I by O, that is minus V by U. Aerial magnification, that is M square area of image by area of object, minus dV by du, V by U whole square, F by F minus U whole square, F minus V by U whole square. Snell's law, sin I by sin R, that is mu. This is known as second law of refraction. Refractive index of medium, mu is equal to C by V. Relative refractive index, mu2, 1 mu2 is equal to V1 by V2, height of object by height of image. Couché's formula, mu is equal to A plus B by lambda square plus C by lambda 4. Refractive index of denser medium, mu is equal to 1 by sin C. Lens formula for convex and as well as concave, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Lens maker formula, 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1, 1 by R, 1 minus 1 by R2. Linear magnification for lens, M is equal to I by O, that is V by U. Focal length of a concave lens by displacement method. F is equal to a square minus d square by 4a. Height of the object V is equal to O is equal to under root I1 I2. Prism formula mu is equal to sin a plus delta m by 2 sin a by 2. Angular dispersion theta is equal to delta v minus delta r, that is equal to mu v minus mu r into a. Dispersive power omega theta by delta y, the mu v minus mu r by mu gamma minus 1. F number 4a. F number 4a camera. Real length of the lens by diameter of the lens. Velocity of electromagnetic wave in vacuum. Vc is equal to 1 by under root mu 0 epsilon 0. Energy of a photon is equal to h nu hc by lambda. De Broglie wave equation. Lambda is equal to h by p h by mv. Interference fringe width p is equal to delta lambda by d. Law of Malus. I proportional cos square theta. Brister's law mu is equal to 10 ip. Specific charge of electron E by m1 e square 2v square. Momentum of a photon E is equal to h nu by c h by lambda. Dynamic or kinetic mass of photon m is equal to h nu by c square h by c lambda. Relation between work function, threshold frequency and threshold wavelength. Phi is equal to h nu 0 sc by lambda maximum. Einstein's photoelectric equation E k m maximum h nu minus phi h nu minus nu 0. Maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron E k maximum half mv square maximum by, that is equal to ev0. Compton effect delta lambda is equal to h by m0 c 1 minus cos phi. Kinetic energy of recoil electron Ek is equal to sc by lambda minus sc by lambda dash. De Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h by p h by mv h by under root 2 mev. Brake's law 2d sin theta by n equal to n lambda. Moseley's law v is equal to a z minus b whole square. Distance of closest approach r01 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2 z square by ek. Impact parameter b is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 z square cot phi theta by l ek. Rather force scattering formula n theta is equal to n int z e to the power 4 8 pi epsilon 0 square r square e square sin is 4 theta by 2. Radius of orbit of electron r is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m k z square. Kinetic velocity of electron in any orbit v is equal to 2 pi k z square by nh. Frequency of electron in any orbit v is equal to k z square by nhr. 4 pi square z square e to the 4 m k square n square x square x cube h cube. Kinetic energy of electron in any orbit Ek is equal to 2 pi square me4 z square k square by n square h k square, that is equal to 13.6 z square by n square. Potential energy of electron in any orbit Eb is equal to minus 4 pi square me4 z square k square n square h square, that is equal to minus 2 into 2z square by n square E nu. Total energy of electron in any orbit is equal to minus 2 pi square me4 z square k square by n square h square minus 13.6 z square n square by electron volt. Ev represents electron volt. Radius of the nucleus r proportional a to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to r0 a to the power 1 by 3. Nuclear density rho is equal to mass of nucleus by volume of nucleus 3m by 4 pi r cube. Mass defect delta m minus m zm pt plus zmp plus a minus zmn minus mn capital N. Nuclear binding energy per nucleon. Nuclear binding energy by total number of nucleons zmp plus a minus zmn minus mc close bracket c square. Packing fraction. Exact nucleus nuclear mass minus mass number by mass number. rate of distinction minus dn by dt proportional n minus dn by dt, that is equal to lambda n. Relation between half-life and distinction constant T is equal to log is squared by lambda 0.6931 by lambda. Activity of radioactive element R is equal to minus dn by dt. Electrical conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor sigma is equal to 1 by rho, that is E n E mu E plus n n mu n. Resistance of diode R is equal to V by I. AC is current gain alpha AC, beta IC by delta IE. AC voltage gain del AB output voltage by input voltage, alpha AC into resistance gain by alpha AC into R0 by Ri. AC power gain change in output power by change in input power. Relation between the current gain of common base and common emitter amplifier. Beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha IC by IB. Displacement current IGD EO multiply by d phi by dt. Ampere Maxwell law. ID is equal to EO dot d phi by dt. Ampere Maxwell law. Phi close integral B into dl mu 0 I plus ID IO. Pointing vector S is equal to 1 by mu 0 E cross B. Average E cross B pointing vector. Average electric energy density VE is equal to half epsilon 0 E square, that is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon 0 E square. Average magnetic energy density VV is equal to half B square by mu 0, 1 by 4 mu B 0 square by mu 0. Critical frequency nu C is equal to nine n mass to the power 1 by 2. Escape distance d escape is equal to 2h v maximum nu c to the power whole square minus 1. Effective range in space wave propagation d is equal to 2 under root 2 rh r plus 2 under root 2 r np nr hr here h and capital R. Principle of meter bridge or slide wire bridge P by Q is equal to L by 100 minus L, that is equal to R by S. Okay, these are formula of class 11th and 12th physics, and here I want to share one thing, that it is important for those students who are preparing for engineering and medical competition. Okay, from the right from the beginning you should revise all this formula, you should know, then you are able to appear in the competition of medical and engineering and all other competition. It is also useful. I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. Okay, thank you.